In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list view in Salesforce. Whether you're a new user or someone wanting to optimize your Salesforce experience, customizing list views is a valuable tool in managing your data more effectively. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're logged in and have accessed this page, it's crucial to ensure you're starting from the main dashboard, which is the hub for all your activities on the platform. From here, you'll see the App Launcher icon. This is typically represented by a grid of 9 dots located at the left corner of the interface. Clicking on this will reveal a range of apps you have access to. Next, within the App Launcher, look for the Contacts app and click it. This action takes you directly to your contacts list, where we will be creating the new view. Once inside the Contacts module, locate the gear icon near the top right corner, which represents the settings. Clicking on this icon provides you with various customization options for your current view. Now, in the Settings menu, click on the New button. This is where you begin customizing your list view. You'll need to enter a name for your new list, something descriptive that makes it easy to identify later on. Once you've decided on a name, input it in the designated field. After naming your list, the next step is to click on the Save button. This action temporarily saves the layout, allowing you to make further adjustments before finalizing. To tailor the list to your liking, it's time to set up filters. Click on the Filters tab. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to define the criteria for the data displayed in your new list view. It offers flexibility in tailoring how you view contacts, such as filtering by contact owner or specific fields. Let's explore how to filter by owner. Click on Filter by Owner, which allows you to specify whether you want to see contacts owned by yourself, your team, or others within the organization. Select your preferred filter option, considering who should have access to view or manage the contacts in this list. Once you've adjusted the filters to your requirements, click on Done to apply these settings. This action finalizes your filter preferences, ensuring the list displays exactly what's necessary for your task or project. Finally, after ensuring all settings and filters are accurately configured, click on the Save button again. This saves your entire list view setup, ensuring all your customizations are applied. Congratulations! You've successfully created a personalized list view in Salesforce. This process allows you to efficiently manage and access your contacts, tailored to fit your needs and improve productivity. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful Salesforce tips and tricks.